Hello everyone, so here's an interesting app called Instafest. It's going viral, so what's the idea of it? So basically you can log in with your Spotify, Apple Music or Last.fm, and then this app just generates like the festival cover, the festival list. Uh, yeah, which you can use, you can then share it on social media. And yeah, it just takes all your Spotify listening history, like your most popular artists, your most popular songs you listen to, and then yeah, it just generates something like this. It's pretty cool concept. So you can choose a different style, so something like that, and then you can just share it with your friends. You can select last 4 weeks, all time. So here you can see basic score. The basic score gives you a rating from 0 to 100 on how niche your festival music is. A low score means your festival features more niche artists, while a high score means that your festival has mostly popular artists. If you like to share your basic score with your festival lineup, you can enable the show my basic score option in the customizable menu. So something like that. Then you can just hide your username. You can show your basic score. So something like that. It's pretty cool, I think. And then you can just save and share it. You can just download and share. Long press and you can just download it like this, and it will be saved to your camera roll, I guess, or can just be saved in the downloads folder. So then you can just open it up probably. Okay, then you can just save image like this. So yeah, that's basically it. Super cool idea. I like it, and it's been built by I think solo developer. So definitely cool. So again, you can also use Apple Music and Last.fm. Instafest creates a music festival graphic based on your most listened to Spotify artists. You can customize your graphic by changing the time range of your top artists, selecting a custom style, and by changing your festival's name. Your festival name is automatically generated from your Spotify username. If you don't want to display username as a title, you can just hide username. So yeah, there you have it.